Hello there, YouTube. I thought I'd show a little repair tip that I did on my welding chipping hammer. Here's where the handle used to be. You can see what the remnants of it. Well, it got too short. This is the end I use the most. I hardly use it. I do use this once in a while, like down in a corner, or a piece of angle iron or something, or maybe to scrape. And you scrape your little stuff off, splatters. There you go, splatters. I modified it. A few spot welds, just to hold it in there. So I don't think it could be moved one more time. This will be the end of the life of it. But it's made in the USA. That's why I put a little more extra effort in it. But originally they had a pin in here. A person could have drilled that out, maybe got that out of there, but it didn't shorten the handle that much. And on the end, what I do is I make it 4 points. I get tired of trying to sharpen it when you're working with your 4.5 inch grinder. I get tired of that round idea. I just sharpen it 4 points. I'm sure you can see that there. I just sharpen it 4 sides, I should say, to a point. In fact, I did this when the head was off the handle and the vise, so that was a little bit cheating on it, but made it easier. That's another tip there. Remanufacture this. Then I take my sander flapper disc and kind of smooth the edges off. That way, you can take your flapper disc. I like using my flapper disc more than a stone. It needs touched up. You can use your flapper disc. There, get a better view there. Use your flapper disc to get that. And I always take these sharp corners off, because I need this to fit down in places. I weld a lot of small stuff through stuff. I want to be able to get my chipping hammer down in there. Even when I braze. When I braze, there's flux left over it. It's just black, melted glass. If you don't get that off there, it'll pop off later and ruin your paint job. So I have to be able to get down in. There you go. Let's see how good it works. I'm bored. It's a Sunday. Make it fun. Anyway, don't make that too long. Might help somebody out there that does welding for a hobby. Chop the dang thing out, drill the hole back. I haven't used the cordless drill. This is soft steel. I haven't used the cordless drill. Even the batteries even get low. This is probably, what, a 1/4 inch hole. I drilled a pilot hole about halfway down. So, it's not a hard steel. It's easy to do. But, so much for that. Thanks for watching.